I want a girl with a mind like a diamond. I want a girl who knows what's best. I want a girl with shoes that quiet, eyes that burst like cigarettes. I want a girl with the right avocation, who is fast and to the road and sharp as a tiger. She's playing with her jewelry, she's putting up her hair, she is touring the facility and picking up a slacker. I want a girl with a short skirt and a long jacket. Okay. I want a girl who gets up early. I want a girl who stays up late. I want a girl with uninterrupted prosperity, to use this machete to cut through red paper, with fingernails that shine like justice and a voice that is sharp like painted glass. She is fast, thorough and sharp as a tack. She is touring the facility and picking up slacker. I want a girl with a short skirt and a long jacket. I want a girl with smooth equitation. I want a girl with good dividends. At Citibank, we'll meet accidentally. We'll stop to talk when she borrows my pen. She was a car with a cup full of open. She was a car who would get her there. She is changing her name from Kitty to Mary. She is trading her energy for a white price for the berry. I want to go with a short skirt and a long jacket. All right. Wait a minute. Beautiful voices, powerful city. Because there are winners and losers in this world. There are the weak and there are the strong. There are people that work hard, and then people that just complain about other people. This side thinks that you're weak. They hate you because you're free.